In this video, I'll show you how to create a clean rubber stamp design with a face logo inside using CorelDRAW. Select Ellipse tool, hold Ctrl and drag create a circle. Change size to 100 by 100 mm. Change outline thickness to 4 points. Make a copy and change the second circle size to 60 by 60 mm. I'll use this text that already typed. It's in 2 lines, so press Ctrl+K to break it apart. Scale it up. Lock the aspect ratio and set the text height to 8 mm. Now select the text, hold Shift and select the circle. Go to Text. Fit text to path. Now the text is sitting on the path. I want it between the circles. Hold and drag down. Change offset to 0. Now the font height is 8 mm and the total gap is 20 mm, so I need 6 mm of space from top and bottom. Go to Distance from Path and type 14 mm. This number is 6 mm empty space from top, plus 8 mm font height. Select the text, go to Object. Break text apart. Now select the second line, Shift and select the smaller circle. Go to Text, fit text to path. Now I'll repeat the same thing for the bottom text. Hold and drag to the bottom. When you see the red line so it is at the center, now mirror it horizontally and vertically. Go to Distance from Path and type 14 mm. Now hold and drag until you see the red line in the middle. Now to change character spacing. Select the Shape tool, select the text, and pull the nodes outward to increase the gap. Now I'll add stars on both sides. Select Star tool. Hold Ctrl and draw it. Scale it down and move between texts. Zoom in. Tweak size. Fill with black. Move it down a bit. Now snap a copy to the other side. Select both and group. Hold Shift and select any circle, now align together. Now I will start with the face logo inside the circle. Select the image, go to Bitmap. Mode. Black and white. Change method to line art, adjust the threshold until you hit the result you want. Right-click. Outline trace. Clip art. We want to remove the white color in the face, so go to Remove drop-down menu and choose Color from entire image. Press OK. Move to the side and delete the image. Now to put it inside the circle, select Smart Fill tool, create a fill shape. Right-click the image. Power clip inside and select the circle. Now hold Ctrl and click inside the power clip to edit it, resize and position the face logo. Finish. Finally, remove the fill color from the frame. And that's it. That's how you create this rubber stamp design with a face logo in CorelDRAW. If you get stuck anywhere, just drop a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials.